Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the form handling in the Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically when we have a requirement like login, register, contact us form, every form, whenever we try to add any kind of input like name, email or something, so there are the fields like if you take an example of the login, right? We have the email and the password, right? When we enter the name, email or password, so there would be a button also submit. When I click on the submit button, what will happen, how we can send the form data to the REST API and handle the logic, how we are going to do that in the Vue, we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So this is the template. Let me copy and paste this one, and let's try to understand how we can do that. Okay, here we have an app view. Okay, so this form is coming up. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let's open the inspect also. So here I bind name, and here we go with email. Okay, when I click on the submit, form submitted with the data. Okay, and here what we get, then after that the name and the email is empty. Okay, let's go and check. So here we have a form at the rate submit.prevent. So these are the modifiers which we are going to learn in the next video what exactly it is. So form submit form. So here we have a label, here we have an input field. Okay, here we are using the V model for bind the data, right? So form data dot name, form data dot email. So by default the values are empty, right? Form data reference name and the email. Okay, so here we have a submit form. So when I click on the submit form, then form data dot values, so we are consoling log all the values over here, right? And then reset the values after submission. So here if I go over here, let's open it, because we update the submit. Let me comment this and let's check what happened over here. Let's console the form data, not the value. What happened? So here we get everything over here. So here you can see that raw value name and the this one. Okay, this is the values that we get on. This is underscore value where we have a target name and this without reset, right? So when submitting the form, you will get all the values over here. Whether you want to send this data to the API or something, you can put the logic over here. You get the form data values, right? You after that you need to send. If I go, if let's console this one, form data dot value dot name. Okay, let's reload, submit. Here you can see that data is coming, right? The name is coming. Same thing that will come with the email also, right? Here you get the email. Okay, so you get the data. Okay, by submitting the form, then you can send this form data values to the REST API to save the data into the database, or whether you have a register, contact or something. So this is how you can send the data, handle the form submission logic here. Example, send data to the API. After that, you can reset the form after the submission. Right. So this is the simple step that about the form handling, how you can bind the data using the V model in the Vue 3. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.